Over 2,000 square feet of space with smooth flowing wood floors from the front door down the hallways to the large 4 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms and 3 living spaces, a bonus room as well as a large open kitchen with granite countertops and an elegant tile backsplash that provide a majestic look in an affordable home with an incredible outdoor living area with a water feature, swimming area, large gazebo and screened-in cloth-covered patio. This home is eligible for $15,000 in down payment and closing cost assistance.